Hi, good morning. It's Sunday morning. I tried to take the dog out, but then it started to drizzle a little bit, and she decided she did not want to get wet. So I'm here again. I usually do my talks outside because I feel more inspired when I'm outside. But I just wanted to, I have something on my mind today, and it's about the different phases that we go through, that anybody goes through who gets a diagnosis of a serious illness. And I think we all heard about these different phases. I mean, it's first of all it's shock, obviously, and it goes into denial, and the denial can go into anger. And it can go in from there to bargaining, which is also common. And then finally down the line, acceptance. But I just want to talk about, that this is not a linear process. Don't even think for a moment that this is a linear process. You don't go from the shock to acceptance and that's it. It's definitely a process where you sometimes skip something or you can jump back and forward. And it's like life, really, in general. It's like a loop. We do go into loops. And if we don't get help to get out of those loops, we tend to repeat them. And the same thing goes through this as well. It's easy to go into a process of repetition, and we need to get to that final acceptance. And it's only when the acceptance come in, I will talk later on another talk about acceptance, but when that hits us, when we say, okay, this has happened to me now, what do I do now? What's next? And that's when we can make a next decision and a next decision and not get stuck in the loop. So that's all I wanted to say for today. I hope you have a lovely Sunday. And as I said, I usually take the dog out, but it was drizzling a bit. And as she's always in my videos, otherwise, yeah, there she is. She doesn't want to be in it. So face your fears and live your purpose. And I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. Bye.